Eastwood has some brand new welding gear, brand new leather jackets, MIG gloves, TIG gloves, and some mechanics gloves as well. Everything is going to include a 1-year warranty too. So let's talk about why you'd want these. First off, let's talk about the welding equipment, starting off with the jacket that you see right here. Large, extra large, and 2X sizes available. Here's how large fits me, and for reference sake, I'm 5'10", 185 with a 42.5-inch chest. With a full split grain leather jacket like this, you're getting something that's more substantial than the flame retardant cotton jackets that we offer. This is 100% genuine cowhide, and it's a split cut of the leather. That means that this is made from the under portions of the hide, so it's that fuzzy sort of layer that you're probably familiar with. Nice and thick too, works well for this application. It's heat resistant, puncture resistant, and it's going to provide you with that from the neck to the waist. A couple of features on here that I like. Buttons are on the inside of the jacket, so they're not going to get caught and opened up while you're shifting around or moving stuff around. The jacket also features an interior pocket, so that's pretty handy to throw the phone or wallet in. It also has a Velcro collar. Folds up and locks into place to help keep your neck protected. Great if you're welding while you're laying on your back, some overhead stuff. That is perfect for that. Last but certainly not least, it's also fully stitched with Kevlar, so this jacket is built to give you that durable build quality that you'd expect from a leather jacket, but also at a reasonable price. Moving on to the welding gloves that you see right here, there are the thick MIG gloves available, as well as the thinner TIG gloves, half of which are made out of goatskin. The goatskin there ranges from the palm to the inside of your thumb and all the way up around your index finger. That will keep you protected, but more importantly, it allows you to keep the dexterity that you need to feed wire while you're TIG welding. Another thing I like about this TIG glove is it has a wing thumb, so there's no seam right here in your grip. That's a common failure point with other gloves. On this glove, it's all one piece. One thing on the back of the TIG glove that I also appreciate is that it has some elastic built in, really conforms to your hand nicely. Sizes are going to be medium and large. Over to the MIG gloves you see right here next to me. Size is also going to be medium and large, and you can see this trades in the goatskin for full split leather construction for the extra protection. The back of the glove, as you can see, all one piece, no seam up here for the extra durability, and also on the inside it also has that wing thumb. So again, no seam right here, right in your grip. That's not going to fail on you. Moving to the actual inside where your hand goes of the MIG glove, for added comfort, the inside of the glove is lined with cotton. Keep some extra airflow in that thick leather glove. I really like that feature. Last but certainly not least, we got the new work gloves you see all the way over there. These are great to throw on, keep your hands clean, and they give you more protection, and they're less wasteful than the standard nitrile glove. On the palm, we have some non-slip grip ribbing. You can see that near the bottom. There's a grip for you to pull these on with. Good thinking there. You also get the same non-slip material on the fingers as well. Great for holding on to greasy, dirty, oily parts. Over on the back side, we have some impact protection. That's always nice, keeps the top of the hand protected. These are nice and comfortable too, flexible when they're on the hand, and they're held in place with a Velcro cuff closure. Good to have around the garage. Throw them on when you need some extra hand protection. Good for pretty much everything, and just like the rest of the products you see on the table today, all this stuff is backed with a 1-year warranty. Press the button to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're giving away a MIG 180 welder at 500,000 subscribers. Also check out our channel as well. We have tons of great how-to content over there you're definitely going to want to see. And as always, thanks for watching this video. I'm JD. Keep it right here at Eastwood to do the job right.